Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to generate unique background music, beats, or full songs using Music GPT. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, gaming, or your own projects. So first you can just go to musicgpt.com and sign in. And it works in any browser and you don't need any complicated setup. And once inside, you'll see the chat interface like this, where you can type your music instructions just like ChatGPT. So to create the perfect track, you just describe the music that you want, include the genre, the mood, whether it's dark, inspiring, emotional, or chill, the tempo, slow, fast, or upbeat, and the instrument, such as piano, violin, synth, or guitar. So for example, in here, I'm going to use this prompt. Create a chill lo-fi beat with soft piano and vinyl crackle, relaxing night mood in 80 BPM. Now, you can just hit on generate. So guys can see Music GPT will automatically generate, but I'm still in queue. So you can just wait until Music GPT create your track. Okay, so the music has been created. You can just click on this play button to preview the result. And if you click on this three-dot icon, you'll see the options to download. You can download in full song for 50 credits. You can also add vocals and instrumental, but this one you need to upgrade it. You can also copy the link, copy the prompt, or add it to your playlist. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can create your own music. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.